Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the Laplace transform of electrical component, that is R, L and C, that is resistance, inductance and capacitance. We will analyze the behavior of these three elements in the S domain, and we will generate the equation that how they will work for the analysis of the system behavior. So Laplace transform of passive elements, we can say that, as we must aware about that thing, R, L, C, resistance, inductance and capacitance are both are the passive elements, so they require the external power source for their operation as well. So the Laplace transform can be used independently on the different circuit element, and then the circuit element can be solved by entirely in the S domain. Okay, and which is very easy to do that. So we can understand this thing. The Laplace transform is nothing but the conversion of T domain into S domain. So all these parameter R, L and C is converted into S domain firstly, and then we will take the Laplace transform of these all parameters, right? So for resistor, if we'll consider, resistor are the time and frequency invariant, we can say. Okay, so resistors value is basically time and frequency invariant, so they did not depend upon the value of time and resistance as well. Okay, so therefore the transform of resistor is the same as the resistor or resistance of the resistor. So if we are the value is RT, then directly we can write R of S. So we can say the time resistance is a function of time, but it is not a change with respect to time. Okay, so resistor value does not change with respect to time, we can say. Okay, so directly we can write RS is the RT. L is nothing but an inductance element. So we will analyze the Laplace transform of L by considering the voltage, current and inductance equation that is given by our voltage is equal to the change in current with respect to time through our inductor. So that is our voltage. So if we will calculate the Laplace transform of this equation, Vt is converted into Vs. Okay, then dit over dt, we can write the equation into S into Is, and L is the constant variable, L as it is, right? So if we'll solve this equation, then SL is equal to Vs by Is. So this Is will be divided over here, then Vs by Is is equal to SL. So this SL is nothing but the Laplace transform of your S. So we can say that our transform inductor into Laplace transform is given by this equation, that is L Laplace transform of L or inductor is equal to S into L, and that is also we can define, that is the ratio of V divided by I as well. If we'll talk about the capacitance, and the capacitance Laplace transform is calculated by the relationship of again voltage, current and capacitance. So that is given by the equation like IT is equal to the change in voltage, that is dV by dt with respect to capacitance C, okay, through a capacitor C. So if we'll solve this equation, then we will calculate the voltage equation by this equation in the same terms. Vt will we keep over here, then d over dt will be gone over the left hand side, it will convert into integration and C will become 1 by C. So we will calculate the Vt from this equation, that will be this equation. Okay, so this is nothing but if we'll calculate, now it is very easy to convert then T domain into S domain. V2 we can like Vs, okay, 1 by C as it is constant, and if we'll convert this thing into the S domain, then integration factor is over there, then we will write this thing like Is over here. Okay, so integration factor is over there, then we convert 1 by S into Is, right? So this is the Laplace transform of our circuit. So we finally will calculate this thing, then from this equation if we'll write Is को अगर हम इधर divide कर दे तो we'll only with thing 1 by Cs over here. So Vs by Is is equal to 1 by SCS. right? So we can say our capacitance is nothing but the ratio of Vs by Is in the reciprocal terms. So the Laplace transform of capacitor is equal to 1 by Cs. Fine. So this is all about the Laplace transform of our basic electrical passive element, that is R, L, and C. Stay tuned with us for more videos on Laplace transform. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.